Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on Python for Data Analysts. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google, and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. Python has exploded in popularity in recent years and has emerged as the technology of choice for data analysts and data scientists. In this course, you will gain the ability to write Python programs and utilize fundamental building blocks of programming and data analysis. First, you will learn how programming languages such as Python, spreadsheets such as Microsoft Excel, and SQL-based technologies such as databases differ from each other, and also how they interoperate. Next, you will plunge into Python programming, installing Python and getting started with simple programs. You will then understand the ways in which variables are used to hold data and how simple and complex data types in Python differ in their semantics. Finally, you'll round out your knowledge by working with conditional evaluation using if statements, loops, and functions. You will learn how Python treats functions as first-class entities, a key enabler of functional programming. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to identify situations when Python is the right choice for you and to implement simple but solid programs using Python.